Hello everyone, welcome back to Next Years. Today we are going to do unboxing of Dell wireless keyboard and mouse. So let's get into it. So as you can see, the packaging is really compact, and on the back you will see some key features of the keyboard and mouse. On the top you will see that there is a Dell logo. Let's open the box now. So let me get this entire thing out. So on the inside we get one keyboard and a mouse. We also have some sales and a user manual that can be used to understand how it works. So I'll start with the keyboard first. On the first C, I noticed that it has a very slim design. It has a silver matte finish, and it comes with a fully sized layout and number pad, which is a plus in my opinion. Um, on the back, I see there's a battery compartment. Yes, yeah, there's a battery compartment, and there's a power button here. Now we'll start with the mouse. On the mouse, it also has the silver matte finish. Uh, and on the back it has the Dell logo, and there's the power button on the back here that you can use to turn it on and off. It has two buttons and a mouse wheel. There are a couple of more options on the mouse and keyboard that we'll talk about in next. So let's talk about the features that this product is offering. So both of this keyboard and mouse have wireless connectivity. That means that you can use them up to 10 meters away from your laptop or device that you're connected to. They use a 2.4 gigahertz receiver that plugs into your computer's USB port. There is also an option of connecting two additional devices with Bluetooth. So let's say if you don't have the receiver handy, and if you want to connect to other device, then you can use the Bluetooth there. um, I'll show this specific feature of this. So there are three connectivity options here, connection options here, which can be used to connect to different devices. So the first one that you can use with the receiver, so you have one receiver that comes inside this mouse. We'll see how it works, and there are two Bluetooth modes that can be used. The fourth option that we have here, it's for switching between those connectivity options. So let's say if you want to switch, you just have to click on the fourth option and it will switch between all the three connectivity options. The same with keyboard. You you can switch to the connectivity options by clicking on this button right next to it. Let me put inside the cells and then we'll see how they work. So the keyboard goes here. Let me, for the mouse, you have the option here that you just have to push it up and the upper body part will come out, and then you have the cell, so you just put it inside like this. You have the adapter here, but I'm not going to use the adapter because the my laptop's USB ports are already occupied. I'm going to use the Bluetooth here. So once you turn on your laptop, your mouse and your laptop, let's connect them. Let me just connect my laptop first. Uh, the moment you turn it on, it will give a pop-up on the device on your laptop, so that once you click on connect, it will ask you to enter some number and then press enter. Yeah, and it is connected. And if I type something, let me open something. trackpad. My is Abhishek. Yeah, I mean, uh, as I said, the keyboard and the keys feels really tactical. They don't make too much noise. They're really quiet, which is also a good typing experience when you're using keyboards. With the mouse, I'll connect. So as I was talking about the switching options, so there is a fourth option, and this is the first one is for the receiver that you have with the package, and then there are two Bluetooth options that you can switch to. So I'll go with the Bluetooth now, and the same with Bluetooth. It is asking me to connect, and yeah, the setup is really simple. I was able to connect these devices easily with my laptop, so that's a plus. It feels really nice holding in the hand, very comfortable. I think you can use it for long uh, hours if you are working on a computer. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Dell keyboard and mouse, and I feel like they can be used by anyone who wants to declutter their workspace and get rid of those wires that comes with the wired product of laptop and stuff. Uh, so that's it for today's unboxing. Um, if you liked, if you enjoyed or liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.